July ki Tang amada first ngapigani Club War Manipur Marirak Suba Oina Khuman Lampak Pangthoklagani Hairi haukiba season 1 2 amadi 3 da amateur amadi semi pro khaktang haukiba du handak ki season asida amateur amadi semi pro khakta natana professional fight hapkani amadi fight kudimak topology record changani fighter amagi khwaidigi maruiba topology box asida record haptuna professional fighter amagi hapchaba chapchaba mahau phangangani haina Club War Manipur gi CEO and founder Bambam Thongnauzamna mayamda khangalakli
Hantaki live July gi Tang amajida akoi Club War Manipur season 4 koi pangthok saragani patham na koi Khuman Lampak boxing arena da koi pangthok saragani soidana adu ma'am hena nungai bana ma'am akoina season 1 2 3 ahum koi pangthok pasida koi amateur amadi semi pro khaktang akoi pangthok sarai hai tare koi season 1 amadi 2 na amateur pangthok ado season 3 da akoi semi pro hapsan jabani adu handaki season 4 sidadi akoi professional fight che hapsagani hai tare professional fight che kamai togeda ma'am tatan haibu do topology habdo akoi professional fight agi akoi topology je yam depend tawe topology record che sigi matungina akoi level je hai tare promotion achocho fight che thopagi kano se topology sida yenga ko yama fight che kano tawe aduna ma'am topology ang maru ba hai tare fighter amagi ang maru ba akoi record ni hai tare record hapam hai tare box amani adu ko topology record che akoi Club War Manipur season 4 sidadi akoi semi pro amadi akoi professional fight ase akoi topology sanjagani hai tare aduna mayam da akoi hoji Club War Manipur season 4 gi registration open oijare mayam da haijari aduga akoi professional fight jagani aduga topology ju sanjani hai tare mayam da